Welcome to today's Bitcoin price projections. Today it is November 22nd, about 9 p.m. where I live. They started off with a big move. We jumped off the liquidity previously from '09. So November 9th, we bounced off this liquidity. We saw a big move to the downside. And I was predicting that we were actually going to either go straight through this, further to the downside, or we're going to get a bounce up, maybe corrective, or an impulse wave. So what's happened currently is we bounced off the liquidity, blew through the daily, and another daily. We got a little bit of price rejection right here, but we still blew right through it. Currently, we're sitting near the resistance point on the daily Fibonacci. So what we're seeing right here is what I believe is going to be resistance right here, and we're going to get a small move to the downside, and then we're going to get higher highs and higher lows. I think I'm going to enter a long position as soon as it hits this daily, with my take profit set around the point of control right here. It's where the majority of the volume has been, so I think that'll be a strong point that we'll be at, and hopefully it'll blow through that and just keep on going up. I do think this is an impulsive wave, not just a simple correction, simply because we have completely blew through this right here, previous highs. What the fuck am I talking about? Previous highs, yeah. Blue, and right now we're contesting this, so we just have to see how this is gonna play out right here. Hopefully we blow straight through it, up right down to the upside, and then we'll probably see a little correction right there. Just as long as we break this right here, even if it's just a little bit higher, that's all that really matters. So we are also seeing an LA wave pattern, XYZ. WXY. Sorry. So we're seeing a nice L8 wave pattern right here, which I've been predicting for a while, but I wasn't 100% sure that would be happening. So I also am seeing trend lines on the RSI, as you can see right here. Previous trend lines, as soon as it broke it, look what happened. As soon as it breaks, 40% move to the downside. This one right here, as soon as it breaks, 30% to the downside. So right here we're seeing another one formed, as you can see right here, which is a sign of bullish. We are also seeing a nice divergence, as you can see right here. So that is, the price is heading up, but right here, that was down. So this is a nice divergence, which is normally either a sign of push to the upside, which we're seeing right now, or small consolidation, maybe for the rest of the week, and then a push to the upside. So just covering all of this is all just big signs that this is the new low for Bitcoin. We're seeing bullish patterns, cluster algorithm. Let's check the MACD. MACD, we seem to be coming to a new low and maybe turning to the upside. Let's check lower time frames. See, yep, we're getting a push up, as you can see here. So just taking these all into account, you know, this is the new low, what I believe to be the new low. We can also check through our volume. See, these big moves have been accompanied with lots of volume, which means they aren't just corrective. These are big moves in the market that are going to be at play. So just be watching out for these daily support and resistance lines and the point of control and liquidity. So my prediction is to get resistance specifically at about 19,300, bounce up and maybe blow through the 16,600 point right here, and go farther up. So just be watching out for that. Maybe make a long position as soon as it hits this support, and that's about all. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.